In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money using Cash App stocks. By the way, if you live in the US and you want to save money for your retirement, I have a free gift for you later in the video. Cash App is more than just a payment app. It's a full-service platform where you can manage your cash balance, savings, stocks, Bitcoin, taxes, and even spend money using the Cash App card. In this video, I'll focus specifically on how you can make money using Cash App stocks by selling your investments and moving that money wherever you want. Start on the home screen, which shows your cash balance at the top. Take note of how much money you currently have there. Next, scroll down to the stocks section. This shows the total value of the stocks you own. These are the investments you've purchased inside Cash App. To make money from a stock, you need to sell it. Think of a stock like any other item you own. You buy it, hold on to it, and when the time is right, you sell it to get money back. Tap on the stock you want to sell. Once the stock page opens, tap Sell. Cash App may scan your face or ask for confirmation before continuing. You'll then see details about the sale, including any fees and the estimated amount you'll receive. If the stock market is open, you can complete the sale instantly. If it's a weekend or outside market hours, you can schedule the sale for the next market day. Once the stock is sold, the money is added directly to your Cash App cash balance. After the money hits your cash balance, you have multiple options. You can withdraw it to your bank by tapping Withdraw and selecting the amount. You can move it into Cash App savings to earn interest, reinvest it into other stocks, buy Bitcoin, spend it using your Cash App card, or send it to another Cash App user. That's how you make money using Cash App stocks. Now these days, many Americans are looking for alternatives to traditional retirement accounts. But did you know you can legally buy physical gold coins as part of your retirement savings? It's called a gold IRA, and most people don't even know about it. If you want to learn how it works, I've linked a free guide from Augusta Precious Metals in the description below. It's packed with lots of useful information, so check it out. And also, if you want to learn more about Augusta Precious Metals and how they can help you set up a gold IRA, click the video showing up on your screen to watch a detailed review.